legendary goblin Gary G of the SEC just approved 11 Bitcoin spot ETFs for the first time in history. And I don't want to sound too bullish here, but this is big. Today will be remembered as the day that the Moon Boys struck back, as 11 Bitcoin spot ETFs were approved by the SEC. And this is gigantic. It's absolutely huge. It's a day of celebration, it's a day of busting, and it's a day of some things that, honestly, forgive my language, but this is huge. So if you're ready for the biggest bull market since the beginning of mankind, hit that like, subscribe, and let's absolutely jump into something very short, sweet, and absolutely breathtaking. So at this point, because of all of the fake outs we had yesterday, it is worth noting, yes, they actually are approved. We have statements from Gary G of the SEC himself, King of the Goblins, and James and Eric, James Seyfarth and Eric Balkunas, the two main people covering this from Bloomberg, basically saying, don't worry about a fake out. The 19B4 approval order has officially hit the SEC front-facing part of the website. These ETFs are approved. Now, the bigger thing here is really this. The SEC did release a statement on this. Gary did specifically. And let's be honest. What it reads is Gary really did not want to approve these Bitcoin spot ETFs. But because of the Grayscale case, because of them losing it, that's basically they were forced to approve it because they had no real reason not to approve these Bitcoin spot ETFs other than they're corrupt. Gary and Elizabeth Warren, right? They're just incredibly corrupt and they're paid by the banks, obviously. But besides that, if it wasn't for Grayscale winning this lawsuit, we would not have Bitcoin spot ETFs. So pretty much give a round of applause, I guess, to Grayscale for kind of forging this path because Gary, the SEC, they were not going to let this happen. And even still, he's quoted here saying, this should in no way signal that the SEC's willingness to approve listing standards for crypto assets, nor does the approval signal anything about the commission's views. He also, there's a different quote here, is him basically saying, like, I think it's the last paragraph. Yeah, while we approve the listing and trading of these spot exchange traded products, we do not approve or endorse it. Investors should remain very cautious about the risks associated, stuff like that. Also, they say that Bitcoin is primarily a speculative vol asset that's used for illicit ransomware, money laundering, which is just things that the US dollar is used for, right? And way more than crypto, all this baloney. Basically, there's a reason that the SEC waited until the very last second to approve the Bitcoin spot ETFs because they did not want to approve this. So this is a big W, right? Big win. Absolutely gigantic. And that's really it. We've gotten these approvals. I'll really quick just talk briefly. Bitcoin's not really up or down that much. It could dump in the next 24 hours. It could whatever. It's very likely actually that these spot exchange traded funds are going to actually start trading tomorrow, which is way quicker than anyone thought, right? Absolutely insanely quick turnaround. So that's absolutely massive. And I think, as I've been saying, I think this long term is going to be huge. I'm very interested to see when these actually start trading, how it starts affecting the price of Bitcoin, how much interest there is, how many people start piling into it, how much money that was not previously ever in Bitcoin starts getting exposed to Bitcoin via these ETFs. So it's a huge day. This is going to be a really short video because there's not really much to talk about other than the fact that even yesterday, for months, I've been getting comments of people saying there's no way these will ever get approved. Literally yesterday. I'm not going to call these people out, even though I have their comments on my channel, right? If I just go to my channel comments, I can show them. They were telling me, right, I was crazy. And they were telling a lot of people they were crazy. These people are just delusional anyway. Of course they were going to get approved, right? There was so much evidence and so much stuff building up. Anyway, the point is, they're approved. And this is going to, in my opinion, contribute massively to Bitcoin's biggest bull run of all time, which will be in 2024 and bleeding into 2025, in my opinion. So pretty much congratulations. Just very big. Without any further ado, that's it for me.